All right, this is a video that I'm going to do. Again, I'm just going to be a quick and dirty video on 5 real tips or suggestions for new traders. And it could be new, experienced, semi-experienced. Again, it is what it is. But just want to give 5 tips. And you guys write them down. Again, you can watch the video and write them down. I didn't have the time to do any PowerPoint or anything like that, but I just think this is something that could really help. So first, tip number 1, turn off the news, stop reading other people's blogs, and get off chat rooms. Reason being is that the news, again, think about trading. Trading is what makes it so attractive is that it has unlimited potential, but it has unlimited risk as well. Well, unlimited to your capital. But again, if you leverage, that's another story. But the newscasters, think about it. What if they knew everything and they were really good? What do you think would pay better? A job that made $200,000-$300,000, or working as a trader full time for firms that they actually have access to hedge funds and stuff like that? What do you think would be better? These guys can't trade. They just need to make news. I gave you an example. I used to subscribe to barchart.com, and basically every morning they would give you like the futures update, but they would give news. Every day they had a new news, no matter. So look at this. Oh, let me give you this. They would give you news on every single this was when maybe Yellen farted, and this is this move down is because somebody in Germany said that they might be thinking of dumping something, or there's a rumor, or this and that. It never went into. There was always a news of how good things were, good bad each single day, and that would be a noise. Get off of that. Reason why you want to get off of blogs as well is there are not many blogs. People are just posting what they do, and if they're not a good trader, you don't want to develop bad habits. Chat rooms. The reason why I say stay off of chat rooms is because on chat rooms, people are only putting what they think, and you don't know who's in that chat room. You don't know who is a novice, who's an asshole, who's telling you a real trader, who's making up stuff. So there's a lot of times, especially in chat rooms, that people will not. They'll be saying that they're in the money. Oh, pay me. I'm in the money so much that they're in a position that they probably didn't have it. They didn't even execute on it, but because it's up, they want to make it look like they have in this trade, and they're knocking the cover off the ball with they ain't even trading. And you don't want to have that psychologically while you're trading, saying, shit, I'm the only one that's not in this trade. That's not what you want to do. 2, if you're looking to follow equities, follow 10 to 15 names tops. Pick your names properly. Pick 10 to 15 names that have good spreads if you're checking the options, move well, and don't pick all the 10 to 15 in the same damn sector, because if tech sector gets smashed and you're following Netflix, Apple, Google, everything's gonna get smashed. Figure out some sectors, but again, just look at what has a high momentum. It could be just high momentum stocks that have great volume. The spreads aren't shitty, and if you don't understand what shitty spreads are, option spreads that bid and ask of pennies, 5, 10, 20 cents apart versus being $1, and go from there. Number 3, find out what style of trading fits your personality. Okay, there are many ways to skin this cat. A lot of people initially want to get into day trading because it seems very exciting. It seems you could get over with the day right. And a lot of people don't understand that the difference between swing trading, which swing trading typically is 2 to 3 weeks, 4 weeks, even up to 6 weeks holding a position, is that you're going to have to react quicker. It's the same chart. I could make this a 15-minute chart. Okay, this is a daily of the SPY. I could make this a 15-minute chart, and you should trade it the same exact way. But you're going to have to react in about 30 to 45 minutes versus having a day. You have to understand within yourself, is that good for you? And go from there. You have day trading, swing trading, you have trend following, you have people that play options on volatility versus price movement. Find out what you're doing and stick with it. Number 4, there is no quick fix to trading. It's just like anything else. You're not going to go into the gym and instantly bench 315, as like a warm-up weight. You pick any weight. Maybe you're strong as hell and you say 315 is light, but say 600. You're not going to go in there and bench 600 off the rip. You're going to have to take your time to build up your strength. It's the same thing. People think there's a quick and easy fix. There is no magic pill with this shit. So you have to figure out Number two, sub of no quick fix. Swing trading does not count to your hours on getting this done. A lot of what with trading is emotional, and sim trading unfortunately does not have an emotion tied to your trades, so you really don't know how you're going to react. So let's say you say, I would have taken this. If you would have taken a swing trade versus taking a real money is two different things. If you feel like I need to continue to swim trade, take whatever your position size is, and then say you risk $100 or $200 or $300 or $1,000. Risk $100, okay, and see if you will be able to take the trade live. Reduce your risk. Go live trading. Again, number 5, but not, this is very, very important. Find out your strategy and stick with it. A lot of new traders want to do moving average crossover, stochastic. They want to do breakouts. They want to figure out how to do the dip. Figure out what resonates with you, and do it, and fucking stick with it for more than 7 hours, for Christ's sakes. I mean, there's people that put on so much. Let me try this. Let me try this. You never give what you actually saw a chance. Give it 3 months, okay? Give it 3 months with reduced risk, okay? And then you can figure out what works for you. Again, remember, a lot of people want to go in this and they want to say, oh, I want to trade and be able to like have my algorithm trade for me. The goal, and again, high frequency trading, that's another story, but the goal is to get to a higher time frame, typically not to a lower, because if you're trading a weekly chart and you're trading this, remember, this is a weekly chart. If this is a 15-minute chart, you would trade the same. Let's say you see this hammer and you get in. Now you're in the trade for 1, 2, 3, 4 weeks. Okay, maybe you say, oh, this pullback, I'm going to get out, and you get back in here. Or you roll your stop up to here. You say, shit, if it hits that, then I'm out. And it continues to go. It will give you the time that you need, but fucking stick to a plan. Don't be all over the place. Don't be willy-nilly. Don't just figure out what you want to do, and it's going to take time, okay? Again, there's no quick fix, no magic pill on learning how to trade. It's very hard. The market is designed to take your money. I figure that this could help some new traders. So 5 real world examples. Turn off the fucking news. Stick to 10 to 15 names. Figure out what style works for you. Some people are day traders, some people swing traders, some people trend follow, whatever. There is no quick fix. You're going to have to put the time in. Stop sim trading. You got to figure out what to do. It's like simulation trading, the bench press. Unless your ass gets under that bench, you don't really know what you can do. Okay? And find a strategy that works. Take care.